morning everyone. Time right now is 6:20. It's 6:20 in the morning. बहुत दिनों के बाद इतना सुबह उठा तो पैकिंग सब हो गया है. Today is a big day and we are heading to Manali. First time experience कैसा रहेगा और कितना टाइम लगने वाला है वो पता नहीं. So ये है पूरा सेटअप. फ्यूल कैन इसमें रख दिया है तो सैडल बैग में एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ लोडेड नाउ. अब इतना फुल लगेज के साथ कैसा ऑफरोडिंग करते हैं, कैसा रहेगा बैड पैचेस में पता नहीं, बट वी आर गोना गो एंड मेक इट सक्सेस. चलो कॉफ़ी पीते हैं एंड देन फटाफट से निकलते हैं. एंड वी हैव 2 लवली डॉग्स, वन हियर और एक वहाँ सो रहा है गार्डन में. Here we have some beautiful flowers. पता नहीं इसको क्या बोलते हैं but look at them. अब तक का बेस्ट डे यहाँ का है. Very peaceful. So he is the owner. Very humble, pleasant and very helpful. Like सच में बता रहा हूँ ना, इस जर्नी का the best है हमारा सबको. The best है. और फिर से आएंगे, यहीं पे रहेंगे.
आपको और बेस्ट ऑफ जर्नी.
यस यस श्योर श्योर सर. या यस सर. निकलने का टाइम आ गया है बिकॉज 6 बजे है टाइम निकलने का. इट्स ऑलरेडी 6:30. सो फटाफट से कॉल स्टार्ट करते हैं देन निकलते हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू. या विल कम बैक. वी हैव टू हेड the road as soon as possible because it's already 6:45. Fuel is full tank, and we have even taken in the can almost 5 liters. We have taken almost 330 kilometers. There won't be any fuel station. So we are now on the Leh Manali highway. Now it's time to say goodbye for these hills. Look at those, man, massive. Manali is 457 kilometers. If you want good experience, then bike is the best way to explore Leh. The reading on the Odo is 19999. It's 19,999. Yes, 20,000. So right update time right now is 9 o'clock. We had breakfast at Gya. यहाँ पे Gya village है, GYA. So वहाँ पे breakfast करके निकले अभी. तांगलांगला पास is 30 kilometers और थोड़ी देर में स्नो दिखाई देगा. The temperature has dropped quite significantly and we can see snow. That means Tanglangla Pass is nearby. 17,582 feet. This is Tanglangla Pass. Here we are at Tanglangla Pass. 17,582 feet. Again the oxygen level is down. So yes, but look at the background view. Amazing.
road is just amazing. I did not expect this thing, and this route is so beautiful यार. एक बार चलाने से मन नहीं भरेगा, फिर से आना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे यही रूट से. It's so beautiful. रोड बीच में से, hills are on the sides, और वो भी दूर में है, like they are not near. This kind of road is there till Pang, which is almost 30 kilometers more. After that, I think the actual adventure starts. So we are in Pang. Time is 11 o'clock. और यहाँ पे फिर से एक ब्रेक लिया था कॉफ़ी पीने के लिए. एंड वहाँ पे एक भाई साहब मिले, बोल रहे थे कि यहाँ से 70 किलोमीटर बहुत ख़राब है, देखना पड़ेगा कैसे जाना है, क्या करना है. अगर ऐसा बैड पैच हो तो चलेगा, अपना बाइक आराम से झेल लेगा.
A few moments later.
Seriously, this is bad. This path is bad. Whoa, it's complete off-road. थोड़ा अच्छा हुआ road, and then again there is a bad patch. See how wide the road is. आगे से एक ट्रक आया तो everyone has to wait. There is a bridge construction going on, so we had to take a detour, like a small off-roading patch. Have to get down slowly. Yep, yes. Done. This is the construction which is going on. Luckily, water ज़्यादा नहीं है. Yep, it was easy. But this is the fun part. Whoa. Oh my god, it was next level. Chala. The road is like next level off-roading. Here we are at La Chungla Pass, 16,616 feet. We are not gonna wait. So this is how dangerous the road is. So you can see truck. OMG. This route is really dangerous, guys. Have to be very careful, patience, and don't rush. The famous Gata loops. It has many hairpin bends. We will be descending the altitude very quickly. This is very famous as well as dangerous because the road is very narrow. Seriously, Gata loops is so tiring, yaar. It is dangerous. You have to be very cautious, and there are so many corners, so many hairpin bends that, oh my god, I am tired with this loop. In exact 5 hours from Leh, we have reached Sarchu, and I think this is in Himachal Pradesh. Time is 1:45 और अभी लंच करके निकले हैं. It was a very quick break. और ये रहा बारालाचाला पास. एल्टीट्यूड है 4,850 मीटर्स. and the ice patches are still like panda. अब ये ट्रैफिक कितना देर है पता नहीं. Till now completed 295 kilometers. I think Atal Tunnel is around another 100.
2 hours later.
I like this kind of landscape. I can smell the plants too after a long time. Wonderful road and view, man. ऐसे रहना चाहिए रोड. और ये आ गया अपना पेट्रोल बंक. I think this is the same mountain which I saw from far away. It's really huge. Here comes the moment which I was waiting for. We are at Atal Tunnel. Finally completed a circle. Time right now is 5:40 and we have reached Atal Tunnel.
यहाँ पे हवा ज़्यादा आ रहा है. Finally completed a circle. यहाँ पे शुरू किया था, like हैदराबाद से मनाली आया था. मनाली से I crossed this Atal Tunnel and came this side, and then went back to Chandigarh, then to Srinagar, Leh, and came back from this route, which is Leh to Manali highway. We reached successfully in time. Morning 7 o'clock we started from Leh, and now we reached. Like it was an adventurous ride. Huh?
Beautiful.
Water crossings and bad patches.
Around 60 kilometers.
Around 70, more than 60.
More than 60 kilometers.
Yeah, no road at all. So we will be going to the other side of the Atal Tunnel to Manali, and then rest. That's it.
Wow, what a feeling. Seriously completed my dream ride, guys. Wow. Man, entering Atal Tunnel. Yes, 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 yeah.